Hey, y'all. Welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee, guys. Look, y'all can already see what's going on. I am in the process of trying to bag all of these plush animals up, guys. I've already gotten 4 4 trash bags full, and I still have a lot to go. All right, so we're getting these bagged up. But guys, listen, I had an idea while I was bagging some of these up, okay? An idea I had because I saw a comment under one of my videos, I think it was my live from yesterday, asking if they should leave behind the 2023 bears, okay? So whomever it was, I'm assuming that they're fairly new to the channel because we just did a video on how to cover these up. And though there are more advanced ways to cover it up than what I did, there's always ways to do it, from the simplest of ways to using your Cricut to whatever, guys. You can cover these letters up, right? These numbers up. But I'm keeping in mind how busy I am, right? I got a lot of these, but I left a lot behind, not because I was intimidated by the 2023 being up there, but because, you know, I was working by myself yesterday and I didn't have my daughter, which normally helps me, you know, with carts and everything. I mean, gosh, you can't take but one cart at a time. So what I was thinking just a minute ago when I was putting these up, all the ones that y'all see up here kind of to the top, these are the ones that I'm going to be using for Mother's Day, right? So some of these bears have Happy Valentine's on it. Happy Valentine's Day. And everybody should know, or if you don't know, I'm not going to say should know. Everybody, if you don't know, all you got to do is disconnect this thread wherever there's thread connected. It's just a little bitty piece of thread. Get you a little small razor, sharp, of course, and disconnect that off. I always keep these pillows or whatever you want to call it that's on the front of these bears, because I actually use this as a plush in another basket. So we're going to disconnect these Happy Valentine's Day pillows that's in the front of these bears, and we're going to use these 2023 bears this year for Mother's Day. Now, for those of you that are not really busy for Mother's Day, or you're not really busy during Valentine's Day, then hey, keep all of your 2023 bears if you like. Use them next year and just cover the feet like I did on my video, or use some other type of method to sew or cover, glue, whatever on the feet to cover that up. But being a Boss Lady Fee does over 500 gifts, hey, next year we're going to shoot for 700, because I probably got close to 600, but I just always say over 500 because I know I did more than 500. But next year we're going to shoot for 800, right? So I'm thinking of my time. I know that this is time consuming. The reason why I covered the one on the previous video, I only had, I think, 2 of those bears. No, I only had 1 of those bears, those purple bears that I had. I only had 1. So it wasn't that time consuming to cover 1. But guys, look, I haven't even finished going through the bears yet. We already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I can already count like 9 or 10 that's just right here in a chair. And I haven't even finished going through all of these ones over here. It's going to be too time consuming for Boss Lady Fee. If you just do a few baskets, hey, it may work. You may have the time to do it. I'm not going to have the time to do it. We're going to use these 2023 bears in what? 2023. All right. So we're going to use these bears, this red bear. Red is associated with more than just Valentine's. We're going to disconnect these hearts. Now, one of these bears just said, I love you. Which one was it? This one. You don't even have to disconnect this if you don't want to. I am. But you don't have to disconnect it because it says, I love you. You love your mom, don't you? Or whomever it is you're going to be giving something to for Mother's Day. This is what we're going to be using. So if you have left some of these bears behind because you was kind of questioning the 2023, go back to your local Walmart. If they're still there, they're probably not. But what I noticed at the Walmarts that I was shopping in, that is what was being left behind the most, okay? Excuse me, y'all. Whenever you're a gift basket designer or a crafter, entrepreneur, you always have to think outside of the box. I preach it all the time. You cannot allow your mind to be as narrow-minded, and I hate to use that like in a negative way, but you cannot allow your mind to be narrow. You have to stretch your mind and your imagination to make money, guys. Listen, these burgundy bears right here, like I said, the ones that I'm going to be using for Mother's Day, I went ahead and just start throwing them in the couch because these are the ones that I know I'm going to use for Mother's Day. I'm not going to use too many more. As a matter of fact, I know I am. I'm going to put these two back up for Valentine's Day next year. I'm going to put them up because Valentine's Day is my largest holiday. I'm trying to make Mother's Day and all of the rest of them just like Valentine's Day. They've increased over the years, but I have not put the time in. But I'm going to try my best to put as much time and effort into the other holidays like I do Valentine's Day. Mother's Day last year was incredible. Each year I build on more and more, and each year I make more and more money. We're going to try to get it to the same place, if not beyond, that I do for Valentine's Day, okay? So we're going to put those up because we need all the inventory we can get for Valentine's Day next year, although we know that throughout the year, we'll be able to pick up plush. Guys, keep in mind as well, and I know I'm cramming a lot of stuff into your brains at one time. Keep in mind, Walgreens have summer sales. Keep in mind that Dollar General has different sales. They have like these little plush stool type animals that's following the brown dot, which is already now 50% off. On March the 3rd, 4th, and 5th, I believe it is, Dollar General will be having a clearance event. Go ahead and put it on your calendar. March 3rd, 4th, and 5th, a clearance event at Dollar General, which will include the items that are already on clearance. Normally, they're an additional 50% off. I will give you guys clarity as soon as I get clarity on that, but go ahead and prepare those 3 days that there will be an additional 50% off. I said all of that to say this is not the only time of the year that you will be able to get animals for your Valentine's baskets, okay? So don't fret if you have to use some of your 2023 bears. You can use these and just go out throughout the year and look for some more. When Christmas comes, the end of this year, they're going to have plush animals again. Target normally has them. Walmart definitely has them. Different stores, okay? I said Walgreens, didn't I? I did say Walgreens. So don't be afraid to use these. This particular burgundy bear, I just started talking about it and I got thrown to another idea. I'm going to be using this, the Burlington hauls that we have. I still have quite a few. Y'all know that I went to Burlington 1,000 times and got supplies. So I still have some of my stock from Burlington. Y'all know some of the Burlington sets had burgundy in it. So I was like, okay, we're going to save these burgundy bears so that I can incorporate those colors, just thinking of different themes and colors that I have. We're going to make it do what it do, guys. I am also getting ready to go to Burlington very soon to kind of be on the outlook for the gift sets that were part of Valentine's, just to see. Y'all know I'm a new clearance shopper at Burlington, so I'm still in the process of learning their system. But once Boss Lady Fee gets it down pat, I'm going to pass it on to you guys. I'm a Dollar General queen, okay? I'm just getting into Family Dollar, and I'm just getting into Burlington. But once we get it, baby, we in there like swimwear. So listen, keep that in mind while you're designing. I also said the other day on my live, if you didn't catch it, in the process, for those of you that don't design hundreds and hundreds of baskets for Easter, this does not apply to everyone. Whatever information I give, if it applies to you, eat it, okay? And what don't apply to you, spit out the bones, eat the meat, and spit out the bones, okay? But if you are able, during the same time, be kind of working on Easter and Mother's Day kind of all together, okay? Because those holidays are going to come back to back. People will be buying Mother's Day gifts or gifts for women during Easter, okay? I'm telling you by way of experience. So kind of be working on both of them at the same time, all right? Guys, I'm going to get off this video so I can keep packing up, not stocking up. Sorry, y'all. I've already stocked up, but I want to make sure that I get everything packed up. Let me show y'all something, and I'm not going to edit this video, so y'all just have to see what you just saw, because I don't have time for edits and all that. I did pick up some more of these today. Let me show you some more things I got. I got these candles from Walmart yesterday. I think they were $178. And this is why I tell you all, don't be stuck on getting Dollar Tree stuff. Okay, these big candles, I think these candles are like $9 originally. I paid $178 and it smells amazing. Okay, it says mold cider, which is a fall scent, but it smells amazing. Okay, we're gonna pull that label off, and I'm probably gonna make some Happy Mother's Day labels to go on that. Okay, but I got a bunch of those. I got some smaller ones with the same flavor. I don't have them in here. This not the same flavor, but the same scent for $1.13. Let me tell you guys something else too. Oh, I picked up some of these Barbie dolls. I got chocolate babies and I got vanilla babies because I sell Easter baskets online on eBay. Okay, make sure you're on Marketplace, all the different platforms. I don't have time to teach you about eBay because I know I probably get that in the quick. I don't have time to teach that, guys. It's just certain things you're going to have to research and find out your own self. Okay, my life is very, very busy, and I'm trying to buckle down and do some of the things that I really, really need to get done that have a deadline. So I'm not going to be able to teach everything and answer everything, but research, guys. But make sure now is a time that you should already be working on your Easter and getting those things listed. Okay, I sell Easter baskets really, really well online. And keep in mind, just because you chocolate don't mean you're going to be selling to chocolates. And just because you vanilla don't mean you're going to be just selling to vanillas. Okay, keep that in mind. When you are a kingdom business, you cater to all people. That should be your agenda anyway, to cater to all people. Okay, I sell to blacks, I sell to whites, I sell to Hispanics, I sell to all creeds of people. So make sure that you keeping that in mind and you're not just going and buying black babies or you're going to buy white babies. Okay, because if you're going to sell online, you're going to have all different types of people. Okay, I found this right here today at Walmart. I really didn't want to pay $3.24 for it, but I did because I like the packaging on it. It's Aeropostale. So we did get that, and we probably will use that for Mother's Day as well. Anyway, y'all, I'm getting off this video. Keep your eyes open, scan items. Even at Walmart, I want to end with saying this. The last few trips that I've made to Walmart over the period of the last couple of months, the scanning app is not showing the complete sale price. Okay, like these bears. Yesterday when I went to scan these bears that were like $3.74, it was coming up at $7.50. Okay, so with that being said, you may have to take, or you should take items to the register. Let them scan them. Let them do a price check. But because it's going to be in the register system if it's on sale. But the app has not been scanning correctly, okay? These apps are great, but keep in mind that they have error in them sometimes, okay? So don't leave things behind because you don't think that they're on sale. Don't leave things behind because you're reading a sign that an employee failed to take down the wrong sign and put up the correct sign. Take it to the register, okay? That's what bosses do. We don't take word of mouth. We don't take what people say. We don't take what sign says. We take it up to the front, okay, or to a manager. Let them figure out the right or wrong price. Okay, guys? I love you so much. Until the next video, guys, I am tired of holding this phone. My mouth is tired. But get your money, honey, and fill your bag. Until the next video. Bye.